G'day collectors, Ben here. We've got a massive range of supercars and we're about to unbox them, so let's get to it. You guys know how this works. As a container leaves, we get a bunch of product samples air freighted to us that we actually use for unboxing videos, advertising, and all that junk. Now this is a massive range of supercars, so let's stop waffling and get right into it. No. It's genuinely stuck. Mattstone racing fans, this one's for you. Now this is a 2024 Tyre Power livery driven by Cameron Hill. Now when you think of Tyre Power, you probably think of Jack Le Brocq. However, Cam Hill raced this in 2024. Now at the AGP, the sister car driven by Nick Perker actually won race 6. And Cam Hill unfortunately didn't win anything this year. However, at the AGP the next season, he won in the double car, which we actually are making the model of. Now in order to complete the Mattstone racing set, this is definitely the one you need. Now we're going to go on to the Erebus cars next. For the 2024 Perth round, Erebus unveiled these two sick liveries. Now obviously at the start of 2024, Brody had a little bit of a hiatus with Erebus that we probably can't really talk about. It's just water under the bush. Now let's talk about the car. Now it's technically a tribute livery, but can you tribute yourself? Is it a retro livery? Although 2014 wasn't that long ago, we don't know. So we're going to call it a throwback livery. Now when you look at it, you might think it's just black and blue, but when you look at it closely, the blue is actually a nice satin metallic finish that we kind of had a little bit of fun trying to replicate. We won't talk about how Greg was pulling his hair. Now I know that we mentioned Jack Le Brocq and Tyre Power, however at the 2024 Perth round he was running the Bic livery. Now we know who Bic is, we've all used pencils, we've all used pens. The way that they actually incorporated the sponsor in the livery was done very well. Now with these liveries, you might notice something on the bonnet, the big NASCAR style numbers. Now we actually like these NASCAR style numbers and think we should bring them back. Let us know down in the comments. Now onto the Tickford cars. At the 2024 S&P round, there was one extra driver that was racing alongside everyone, and that was Lockie Dalton. When Tickford revealed this livery, we thought, wow, we really have to make this. So here it is. Now the way that they used the blue gradient with the white is very slick and very clean, and we really like this livery. Now onto the Castrol car. We all know who drives the Castrol car, Thomas Randall. I don't know what it is with this bloke, but he always seems to get pole position in Tasmania, because he did it in 2025, and he also did it with this livery in 2024. Now we consider Thomas Randall a fan favourite, so obviously we had to make the model. And to be fair, you can't really go wrong with a Castrol livery. If you're a Tickford fan, these are definitely models you need to have in your collection. Now onto another tribute livery. Now when you think of the name Perkins, there's only two people you probably think about. Larry Perkins, Jack Perkins. And this is the Super 2 livery driven by Jack Perkins. You might have seen a model that we previously released, and that was of the 23 Super 2 retro livery, and that was of the 93 Perkins livery. Now if you're a fan of the Perkins like we are, you probably know that Jack likes to run the retro liveries when he's doing the Super 2. And in 2022, he ran the 84 Bathurst winner tribute livery. Now if you're a fan of the Perkins family like we are, this is definitely the model you need. Now onto a livery that you might have already seen before. Now you might have seen that we previously released the Matt Payne version of this livery. However, this is the Richie Stanaway version of this livery. This is the 2024 Bathurst Gold livery. I think Greg called it the Golden Go-Karts. Now these are very sleek liveries and we really like them. The way that they use the matte finish is very nice, And you can't really go wrong with Penrite and Gold, like they just go like bread and butter. If you're a Penrite fan, this is definitely the one you need in order to complete the set. That's it for the unboxing. If you want more information on these models, they are currently in the in transit section on our website. These models are currently in the container and are due to arrive very shortly. Please like, subscribe, and comment what your favorite model was out of this range of models. Peace!